Right. First thing is, you should know what is internet. Actually, we can start from that. What is internet? Internet is basically, you can say, internet is the world's largest public wide area network. It is the world's largest, and this is a public wide area network that is called internet. Right. Okay. So then it's actually connecting larger number of computers in the world. Network means more than two computers, two or more computers, more computers connected using wired or wireless media. We call it a network. So internet is actually interconnected such networks. We can call in network of network also. Here, the computer network is just connected computers, but internet is network of networks. It's a very large number of computers around the world. So who owns internet? Who is the owner of the internet?
No one.
Yes, it's no one, because it's owned by everyone. The other answer is answer number 2. So you can say no one, answer number 1, answer number 2, it's everyone. So that means public, we own that, right? It's our asset. Entire world owns that. Everyone owns that. So that is the internet, right? And basically, so through internet, we can do a lot of things. Watching videos, listen to music, sending emails, computer games, video conferencing. So these are the services of the internet. Actually, the internet is infrastructure. So what do you mean by infrastructure? What is infrastructure? Can you tell me example for infrastructure?
What's that?
Example for infrastructure.
Chrome?
No. I'm just asking generally. Internet is infrastructure. Internet is an infrastructure. Infrastructure in Sinhala we can call Yatitala Pahasukam. Okay, infrastructure. I'm asking, can you tell me example for infrastructure? Other than internet, is there any infrastructure? Around us, what are the infrastructure around us?
Computer network?
Sorry?
Computer network?
Oh, okay, computer network is infrastructure, but let's tell more generally. Let's forget about
House.
Yes, we can say living spaces. So that is infrastructure. And roads, infrastructure. Roads are infrastructures. Roads are infrastructure. Electricity. Electricity is infrastructure. Telecommunication is infrastructure. Right? Okay, so let's say you have electricity in your home. You have current or power in home, but you don't have any devices to use it. Is it useful? Can you use power itself to do something?
No.
Current එක එනවා, current wire එකක් දැන් තියෙනවා. දැන් මේ current wire එකෙන් ඔයාලට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන්? What you can do with that wire? Nothing other than getting a shock, right?
Yes.
Maybe you can kill someone by giving a shock, or you can kill yourself because that is the only thing that you can do. Just power line, but nothing. And again, so let's say you have roads. There's a planet which, let's say planet X, it's having roads, wider roads, but no vehicles.
What planet, sir?
Planet X, that is unknown planet. Let's say it's having roads, but no vehicles, no human beings, no one. Then it's useless again. So similar to the power, the electricity තියෙනවා devices මොකුත් නැත්නම් වැඩක් නැහැ. ඒ වගේම roads තියෙනවා වාහන මොකුත් නැත්නම් ඒකත් වැඩක් නැහැ. So infrastructure without any service is useless. That's what I want to tell. Right? Infrastructure තියෙනවා, but no services, that is useless. Okay, Pute, I expect you to turn on the cameras, like because I know some are like playing games and doing some unnecessary things. That's why I'm telling. So please show your participation actively by turning on the cameras, right? Then I can see your participation actually. Okay, good. So some are quickly taking the actions, others are slow. So I expect others to take the actions similar to them, right? Okay, so if your camera is not working, that's okay. But if not, please turn on that. So because then it's easy to take the feedback. Okay, because that is real-time feedback. It say whether you can understand or not. Right. The next is, okay. The next is, right, now we know about the infrastructure and a service. Okay, let's say you have all the services. Other hand, services services like, okay, let's say services like you have fan, air conditioner in your home, you have TV, and also bulbs, all these things, but no electricity. So what will happen then? You have all these things, but
Then no use of the items. No use of the things.
sorry.
No use of the things.
Yes, then we can't use those things because
Yes.
if you have all these things but no power, so again useless. Right.
Mm.
So you have to understand both. Both are interdependent. So similar to that, internet is infrastructure. Internet කියන්නේ infrastructure එක. ඒ කියන්නේ යටිතල පහසුකම. Right? So internet has a lot of services. Okay, let's say internet providing web service. Right? Web and internet both are not same, right? That you have to understand. Web is one thing.
So that
and
means what is the difference between them?
so that's what I was telling. Web is the infrastructure. Sorry, web is the service and internet is the infrastructure. Right? Similar to fan and electricity. Internet is electricity, fan is something like so. Let's say bulbs. Bulbs is the most common thing that you are using with the power. No,
Yeah.
it's like bulbs and electricity. So bulbs is web. Bulbs is like web. So electricity is the infrastructure. Internet can infrastructure. Right? So that's what I want to tell. I think you understood that concept, right? Internet is infrastructure, but there are a lot of services. What are the other services other than these other than the web? So what are the other services? Do you know other?
We can do video conferencing.
Yes. What are the applications? Examples for video conference?
Zoom.
Zoom,
Zoom.
GoToMeeting, MS Teams, Skype, email.
Yes, those are some services. Then what
WebEx.
else? Okay, other than video conferencing, anything else?
Sending emails.
Sending emails. Okay. Anything else?
Creating websites.
Creating websites. Using internet. That is like you can say applications. More common applications. There are a lot of applications. No? Okay. Anything else?
Anything else?
Now emails you have listed. Number one, email. You have listed.
Search information in the network, in the internet all around the world.
Search information. That is, you can do that with web, no? Websites. Then website for searching information.
Search engines.
That is for search. That is also a website, right? Website කියලා ගම එකක් විදියට ගන්න. Website is one service. Web is one service. Anything else other than web? Is there anything else? Web ඇරෙනකොට මොනවාද? Email හරි. Teleconferencing හරි. Zoom වගේ ඒවා. So what about instant messengers? ඔයාලා නිතර use කරනවා. WhatsApp, Viber. You are using or not? WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram. Those are called instant messengers. Those are also services. Instant messengers are also services. And remote access. Are you using remote access?
No, sir.
Okay. You are using it.
So what means remote access? I don't.
Okay. Let's say. Okay. Hariza, you can control my screen now, right?
Yes, I can see this one.
Okay. So can you try it? Just scroll up. The PDF, can you scroll up the PDF? Just give it a try. Okay, that is scrolling down, just scrolling up. Okay, so you can see mouse is moving. It's not me, it's Harisa, it's not me. So she's moving the mouse, and no need to search, like you can just scroll up. No need to see the scroll bar or scroll bar icon in the hand. No need to see that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no need to use scroll bar. Without using scroll bar, you can scroll up. Just
How do it with, I mean,
using touch. Let's do like touch screen. Touch screen එක වගේ නිකන් හිතලා උඩට අරන් යන්න. You can move that. Just move like that. Okay, or you can go to the corner and click that. That is another thing. Okay, remote access. Now, can you understand what is remote access? I just want to
Yes,
tell
sir.
you what is remote access. Remote access
Yes.
means anyone
Yes, sir.
without physically going to a location, you can access. Without physically going to any location, you can access the thing. Okay, I'll show you one more example. So let me show you this using real time. If you go to Google, you can search like this. In Google, you can search like this. In title colon view, in title colon view slash index.html. If you search like this not in title, in URL, right? In URL. If you search like this, you will get some list of some search list. Actually, when you access these websites, you can see, when you access this website, you can see, okay, let's still load in. Here, these are cameras. So these cameras, it's possible to access remotely. These are not computers, these are cameras. But you need passwords, right? Some cameras are password protected. You can't access, you can rotate. But basically, if it is not password protected, let's go to the second one. This is another camera from another location. Okay, let's try to move this camera, maybe. Let's try to zoom out. No, still you can't control that. But some cameras you can control, you can rotate. Actually, when you are rotating, right? Actually, when you are rotating these cameras, basically what will happen? So it is physically rotating in that country. අපි මෙහෙන් rotate කරනකොට ඒ රටේ ඒක භෞතික විදියට කරගෙනවා, rotate වෙනවා. Seems rainy situation. What is the country? This is Butavo, Moscow, Butavo. Right, you can see, maybe you can try to zoom it, not sure. Sometime
Yes, sir,
here.
it has to be Russia.
Is it Russia?
Yes, sir, Moscow is in Russia.
Yeah. But I just read this one, Moscow, Butavo here. You can just, maybe you can change this. Let's see. No, you need passwords again. You need passwords. Right? This is a live view. This is a live view. Real-time view. මේ ඒ වෙලාවේ මේක මේ ඒ වෙලාවෙම එන එකක් තමයි අපිට මේ පේන්න. අපේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් ස්ලෝ හින්දා තමයි මෙහෙම කැඩි කැඩි යන්නේ. You can see trains are going here and there. So likewise, this is how access remote live cameras. These are not websites, right? You can see this as a website because we are accessing to the web browser. We web browser එකෙන් බලන හින්දා තමයි මේවා websites විදියට පේන්නේ. හැබැයි ඒවා websites නෙවෙයි. ඒවා cameras. Camera වල interfaces තමයි අපිට ඔය පේන්නේ. Okay, search කරන විදිය මම ඔන්න එවලා තියෙනවා. You have to go to Google and search. Right? Go to Google and search, and you can find out. Not now, later you can search, right? Don't try to search now, then it will be disturbing your classroom. Later you can search. Just copy and paste it somewhere, or write down this somewhere, or take a screenshot of this. Later you can.
Sir, give me a minute, sir. I'm taking a screenshot because, sir, the link you sent in the chat box, sir, it isn't working. I mean.
Yeah, it's not a link. It's a text. You have to copy and paste that in the search engine. It's not a link, right?
1 minute, sir. I'll copy and paste it.
Okay. So then, okay, now can you understand what is remote access? I think I have given more clear example for that. So a lot of remote access examples. Okay, these are
Yes.
the, yes, those are the services of the internet. And so when you need to access a web page, you need to find the URL. URL, what is that?
Uniform resource locator.
Or uniform resource locator or location. That is where the resource is located. So that is the place where the resource is located. Resource එක තියෙන තැන. So here, so let me show one example. HTTPS www.moe.gov.lk, but this is not a complete uniform resource location. This is not a very good URL because that double slash is missing. Can you see? HTTPS,
Yes, sir.
after that the double slash should come. So let me share you URL. URL එකක් share කරන්න. URL is something like this. Okay, let's say you want to search grade 7 and site is Sri Lanka, and you need some, let's say, file type is PDF. You need PDF document from grade 7 and Sri Lanka, and I got some results. And here I'm getting one results from St. John's Girls, right? St. John's Girls.lk. Just click it, and here you can see this is English assignment for grade 7. And let me erase this URL and let me, okay, now you can see a lot of grade 4, 6, 7 English and health science, a lot of materials are there. And this is for 4th month, and I'm going to move that also. And here, so this is for 2020. So for all 12 months, you have resources. Okay, I'm sharing this URL, which is very important to you. So this is called URL. All these are URLs actually. This is also URL and this is also URL. මේ ඔක්කොම URL. මේ තියෙන මේ URL එකෙන් තමයි මම අනිත් URL හොයාගත්තේ. එතකොට මේකේ ෆෝල්ඩර් එකට ගියාම මට පුළුවන් 4 වෙනි මාසෙට අදාළ here. This is 4th month. When I remove the part, when I remove this file, and then I can go to the folder. This folder is showing lot of documents. Then I'm moving one step further, and now I'm inside 2020 folder. Actually, I have shared that resource to you now. You can click and go to that website, and you can go to each month. You can say what they have done in January. No, nothing is there. What they have done in February. Okay, some resources are there related to February. Those are images. So let's see what are the images from the school, right? So it's publicly visible, is it? Yes, images from their school. And then let's go up. This is for the February. Actually, they have their school, I think, February. March, then you can see March onward, school was closed. Why? Due to this COVID. March onward, you can find the educational resources. You can see. They were doing all the grades. You can see the education resources are published there. You can just go and download them and use them in your education. But don't misuse them, right? Just use them in your education. This is one thing. If you really know the URL, then you can go to that website. Let me show some other URL also. I'm going to show you some other URL. This is movies 2020. Then I'm searching in title, then index of, and here I got a link, a URL, and I'm sending that to you. Now don't waste your data, right? Next time when your mother will come and complain me, my son has downloaded a lot of movies and now my data connection is over. You are the responsible person for that. Right? So then I am to get blamed, right? So don't do that. So why I just want to show you the example for URL. So if you know the URL, what is the advantage? So all these are examples for URLs. If you know the URL, what is the advantage?
We can search anything at any time.
No, not searching, right? You can avoid searching actually. Search karan ඕන නෑනේ. You can directly access the URL, no? Isn't that so? If you get the URL, what URL එක තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාලගේ, you can click that link නේ. Zoom, actually Zoom, you are getting that, you are joined to the meeting by clicking the link, no? Zoom වල link එක click කරනවා නේද ඔයාලා? You touch the link and join. If you have the URL, the advantage is what? You don't want to search. You can directly visit that website. Here, after I send this URL to you, you can click and go to that website. And then you can find the relevant, maybe 2020, any related movie you can find over there. Because that is a URL. But URL is not there. When URL is not there, who help us to find the URL? When URL is not there,
Search engine.
yes, exactly. When URL is not there, there's a person, there's a website helping us. There is a search engine. Can you tell me examples for search engines?
Opera.
Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing.
Yes, Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing. Correct, correct. Opera is not example for search engine, right? Opera is example for
Sorry.
Opera is
then-
example for what? It's a web browser. පටලවා ගන්න එපා. Opera is a web browser. Web browser is an application software. Search engine is a website. Right? Web browser is an application software. Search engine is a website. Right? Okay. Now let's write small note on that. What we have learned about the basics. Otherwise, we will forget it. Right? Let's go to the. Right. Let's go to the.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Sorry.
Sir, you send the link now, sir, now.
Yes.
The last link I went, sir. Then there is telling website status risky.
Yes, because it is HTTP. The other
Sorry,
two
sir?
links, because it is HTTP, you can see HTTP.
So
Yes, yes,
what
sir.
means
HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That is
then sir, what about the S over there?
HTTP.
S means
S
security.
secure. Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. When it is secure, when it is Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure, you will get more security. But if it is not Hypertext Transfer, it's not a secure one, then don't give your personal information to that website. Right? That is the only issue. Don't give your personal
Sir,
information. That means passwords, credit card information and all. It is not better to give those information to that. That is the meaning. Okay. So let's write a note on that. So
Sir,
first of,
now
sorry.
just think, sir, now if there is no HTTPS,
Yes.
that means is that an unsecured website?
Yeah, it is unsecured website. So it is not good to do transactions on that. But visiting and taking information is not a big thing. But don't do the transactions like online payments, username, password thing. So that is not good in particular website. Okay. So let's write down the note on this, Pute. Right?
Okay.
Okay, the first thing is what is internet? Right? So what is internet? You can write down that. So no need to write down the Sinhala one, just write down the English one, that is enough. What is internet? Internet is the world's largest public wide area network. And it is known as a network of network, and it provides infrastructure for many services, including www and email. Please write down that first. We should know what is internet. Okay, I'll copy and paste this to here, then it's easy to you to find out the information. Otherwise, like you will miss. Okay, the next thing is what are the services that you get through the internet? What are the services? So that is also really required, and I'll copy that part also. And what is in the green color? That is the topmost service of the internet. That is in the green color. That is, World Wide Web. That is the most famous service in the internet. Okay, I want you to write down these things. What is internet and services of the internet?
Sir, can you zoom out? We cannot see it.
Yes, sir. Can you zoom a bit?
Cannot see? Now?
Yes, sir. Can you? No. Now it's okay, sir. Okay, enough. Thank you, sir. It's enough. Okay, sir. Thank you.
But here you can see webmail. So web-based email, you already know that. Web-based emails are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and there are different providers. They are having different emails. And these software you can use to access those emails. Eudora, Thunderbird, like web access කරන්න අපිට ඕනනේ. You need like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, Opera, Safari. So those are needed to access web pages. No, similar to that, to access emails. So we are using these email client softwares. Here, this is Apple Mail, right? If I configure, I can access and I can send and receive emails through Apple Mail. That is a special software specially dedicated for emails, not to access the websites, specially for emails. But some are not using these things. Some are not using these email software. Instead of that, they use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, like webmails, web-based emails. Then they need only web browser. Because using web browser also, email can be accessed. Right? Here,
Sir, now don't we have something like very secured?
means
Like something which is more secured for a computer, for a PC.
so I didn't get that.
For me.
What do you mean? Like more secure means? So security.
Like, sir, now what?
Security can be provided not just using the computer, no. So you need different security related device, right? Network security, software security, antivirus. So you cannot tell, okay, this is a more secure computer, because like after configuring these security settings, you can tell this is a secure computer. Maybe you can install antivirus, then you can install firewall, then you can install, maybe you can lock it in a room, and you can assign a security guard and maybe a guard with a weapon, right? And you can plug CCTV system, and then you can tell, this is a secure computer. So that is why I cannot answer your question directly, because security need to be provided in different aspects. Sides ගොඩක් හිතන්න ඕන security එකට physical security බලපානවා. Security guard කෙනෙක් දාලා, CCTV high කරලා, security alarm system එකක් දාලා එහෙමත් security දෙන්න ඕන. ඒ විතරක් නෙමෙයි. ඊට පස්සේ there are logical securities like antivirus, anti-malware, firewall, like intrusion prevention systems. So a lot of security measurements are there. So it's very difficult to answer your question. So because it's like general, and for security, you need to address more aspects. But you can, maybe if you can narrow down the question, like, so like this, whether Windows is secure or Linux is secure, likewise, then.
Yeah, sir. I wanted to ask, sir, now, can we tell that Apple Mail is the secure? Something like that, can we tell? Can we like make sure?
You are asking email clients. Be
Yes.
specific. Are you asking about email software, a secure email software? Is it?
Yeah.
Be specific on that, right? So these again, so Windows-based clients, basically Outlook is secure software for Windows. For Apple clients, Apple Mail is a secure software, right? So other than that, you can use open source clients like Eudora, Thunderbird for emailing. right? So it
Okay,
is,
sir, okay. Thank you.
it depends on the platform again, right? Okay, so finish writing this. Please write all the services, right?
So in the
Yes.
second one.
Second one. So most popular service, what is the most popular service among these? Lot of services are there. What is most popular?
On what, sir?
Sorry,
What's the most? So,
what is the
can you
most
explain?
popular service? So I have listed few services. Now, first is email. Second one is World Wide Web, video conferencing, file transfer. What is the most popular one?
Worldwide.
World Wide Web.
Yes, it is World Wide Web, obviously, correct. It's World Wide Web because all of us are using that service. And video conferencing nowadays we are using, but earlier days it was not much popular. But nowadays we are using Zoom, MS Team and all. File transfer is like, it's also used by servers, but very less popular one, but it is required. Generally, it's less popular. Instant messenger also popular. WhatsApp, Viber, Emo, Telegram, Line. News
Sir, now,
also,
sir, on this, on don't we have more points, more than 7?
we have 8.
Ah,
There are
okay,
more
sir.
than 8 also, but these are the main 8.
Ah,
The main 8 points.
okay, sir. Okay, I understand.
More than 8 services are there in the internet.
Yeah, of course. Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, so finish or still doing?
So I'm writing the 7th one, sir. Sir, can you?
Third one, sir.
Sir, I'm writing the last one. I can't see it well. Ah, okay, sir. Now okay.
Right, okay. So then,
Okay, sir. Yes. Okay.
okay, then we learn
Okay.
about the internet and also about the internet services, right? Internet and internet services. Now we know those are two things. Internet is the infrastructure and